Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza the right way. First, let's talk about the foundation, your dough. Using a high-protein bread flour is key for that perfect chewy texture. Ensure your dough is well hydrated, around 65% to 70%, to achieve great elasticity. After mixing, let it rise in a warm spot for at least 1 hour, allowing it to double in size for a light, airy crust. Now that your dough is ready, it's time for the toppings. Start with a simple, fresh tomato sauce. Less is often more here. For cheese, low-moisture mozzarella is ideal as it melts beautifully without making your pizza soggy. When adding toppings, distribute them evenly across the dough. This ensures every bite is flavorful and the pizza cooks consistently, preventing any one area from becoming overloaded. The secret to a truly great pizza lies in the bake. Preheat your oven to a scorching 500 degrees Fahrenheit, or even higher if possible. A pizza stone or steel is crucial here, as it provides intense, even heat to the crust, mimicking a professional pizza oven. Slide your pizza onto the hot surface and bake for 8 to 12 minutes, until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly. Once your pizza is out of the oven, resist the urge to cut it immediately. Let it rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the cheese to set and prevents toppings from sliding off. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh basil or a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. It truly elevates the flavor. And speaking of elevating, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Enjoy your delicious, homemade pizza.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.